Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Orange color, chocolate color, purple color, green color, red color, blue color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Pentagon, star, circle, triangle, square and heart. First we're going to draw the shapes. Pentagon, star, circle, triangle, square, heart. Now we're going to put the color. Blue color, pentagon. Orange color, star. Green color, circle. Chocolate color, triangle. Purple color, square. Red color, heart. What we learn? We learn blue color, pentagon, orange color, star, green color, circle, chocolate color, triangle, purple color, square, red color, heart. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.